Hola amigos. Welcome to today's lesson on the days of the week in Spanish. Whether you're new to learning Spanish or just brushing up on your skills, this is a great place to start. We're going to learn each day, practice pronunciation, and repeat together to make sure you've got it. Ready? Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to the days of the week. In Spanish, the days of the week are super easy to learn. There are 7 days, just like in English. And here's something cool, Spanish days don't start with a capital letter unless they're at the beginning of a sentence. Let's go through each day, one by one. Section 2. Lunes, Monday. First up is lunes, which means Monday. Let's say that together, lunes. Great job. Lunes is the start of the week for many. Let's say it again, lunes. Remember, the pronunciation is lunes. Section 3. Martes, Tuesday. Next, we have martes, or Tuesday. Ready? Let's say it together, martes. Perfect. Martes is a little easier to pronounce. Let's try one more time, martes. Great work. Section 4. Miércoles, Wednesday. Now for a slightly trickier one, miércoles, or Wednesday. Let's break it down. The stress is on the first syllable, miércoles. Let's say it slowly, miércoles, good. This one might take some practice. Let's try again, miércoles. Great. One more time for good measure. Miércoles, Section 5. Jueves, Thursday. Next up is jueves, or Thursday. It's pronounced, hwayves. Ready? Let's say it together, jueves, fantastic. You're getting the hang of it. Let's say it again, jueves. Section 6. Viernes, Friday. Now, let's move to everyone's favorite day, viernes, or Friday. It's pronounced, viernes. Let's say it together, viernes. Great job. Let's say it one more time, viernes. Perfect. Section 7. Sábado, Saturday. Next, we have sábado, which is Saturday. Let's break it down, sábado. Ready? Let's say it, sábado. Pause for repetition. Awesome. Sábado is a fun one. Let's repeat it again, sábado. Section 8. Domingo, Sunday. Finally, we have domingo, which means Sunday. It's pronounced, domingo. Let's say it together, domingo. Excellent. One more time, domingo. Great work. Section 9. Practice the days of the week. Now that we've gone through each day, let's put them all together. Repeat after me as we go through the days of the week in order. Lunes, Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo, Sunday. Let's go through them one more time, nice and slow. Perfect. You're doing great. Keep practicing saying these out loud every day until it feels natural. Conclusion. Muy bien, amigos. You've just learned the days of the week in Spanish. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Try using these words in your daily routine. For example, you could start by saying today's day in Spanish. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Spanish lessons, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time. Hasta luego.